Welcome Transformation. Today's video we're going to be doing a glitter cut crease for prom makeup tutorial. Today I will show you how to achieve a stunning and glamorous look for your special night. So let's get into the video. Hello beauties. I know you guys probably say what she's doing again. Half face, none here. I am going to be doing a glitter eyeshadow prom makeup tutorial look. Since prom is coming and I want to show you guys the easiest way to do it to achieve this look, and it's no hard work. All you need is some good eyeshadow palette and some brushes and you're good to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing first, you should already have your concealer on first. And I already applied it on because I had to do my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to use my Nude Me eyeshadow palette by INV. And I'm going to go ahead and use the color Hard, which is that dark brown color. You can use any type of dark brown. And I'm just going to blend it on the outer side, and I'm going to work my way around to the inner side. So I'm just going over my whole eye. Just easily like buffing the edges of my eye, the corner of my eye, if that makes sense. So I'm just applying that. Okay, we have that. That's the first step. So I'm going to mix two colors, Desire and Tease, together. So if you have something similar to these glitter palettes, just blend it. So I'm just going to go over my eye like that. Easy and simple. Doing like that. Alright. So then I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses tattoo eyeliner. Eyeliner, black is black. This is one of my favorites. And I'm just going to go over the top. You don't have to draw a wing, but if you want to, you can. But I'm just going to do it simple for my beginners. I'm just doing it like that. See? Voila. I'm going to go ahead and use Ruby Kisses eyeliner twist pastel blue. And I'm just going to go under my eye. Let me show it up more. And that's it on that bottom lash. You can just put your mascara on, and then I'm going to use a nude color which is called Bear, and I'm going to apply that in here just a little bit to make it look like I have a crease, right? I'm gonna go back in with some more brown. Okay, and then the most important is your concealer. I'm going to use my mocha. So always get some concealer that's matched to your skin color. And you're going to need one that's a little bit light. I'm going to use the Kiss Professional Golden. I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. And then let that sit. You can use your setting spray. And then after I'm letting this dry, I'm going to use my Nicka K lip crayon pencil. This is in the color Lavender Pearl. I'm just trying something different. You don't have to try this lip combo. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses Chocolate. And I'm going to use Ruby Kisses Butter Balm Trazeline tassling. I can't really see. I'm sorry. A little bit of brown. And then I'm going to use my Lip Plump Semi Gloss by Absolute. And the color is Sangra. I'm just going to apply a little. So that's it. You apply some concealer around your lips to make them stick out. Like the Bratz doll. I'm going to go ahead and apply, blend in the concealer around my eye. Just going to apply that. Lastly, Ruby Kisses glitter. I've been waiting to use this again. It's the Face and Drop. I forgot the name of this color. It's like a purplish silver color. Oh, you guys have a little of that. We're going to add a little shimmer. Blending that in. And here you have it, the prom inspired look. Not hard to miss, very simple. I used the Eye Envy nude eyeshadow, nude me eyeshadow palette. So, and it doesn't cost anything. It's just $11.99. But you can use any other palettes, but I just use brown, nude, and mostly like the glitter. They have a shimmer to it. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my inspiration of a prom glitter makeup look. So I hope you guys did enjoy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. And well, there you have it, beauties. A gorgeous glitter cut crease prom makeup look that will make you shine all night long. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and beauty tips. I hope you guys did enjoy. And you guys, please follow me on my backup page, Celeste World _ and let's get these views up on this channel as well, Modest Transformation by Celeste. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.